Good morning, everybody, and welcome once again to all of us wonderful, magnificent, extraordinary people. And let's make today another extraordinary day for all of us. So, what's the best way to start the day? So, today, the best way that we will start today is when I say 1, 2, 3, we will all laugh 100%. So, 1, 2, and 3. Go! Let us see how much stamina you have to laugh silently. Okay, so today I'm going to ask some of you to tell us what is the purpose of these empowering morning conversations. And we will start with Darshanaji. Darshanaji, you tell everybody what's the purpose of these empowering morning conversations.
For me, it is to try and be positive, which I was not earlier. And also, you want my experience, no?
No, I just say, what is the purpose of the empowering morning conversation? So you already said that.
To empower everybody to lead a positive and a fruitful life.
Wonderful.
And make the best of the opportunities that you have.
Wow, fantastic. Thank you very much. Let's have Vetrivel.
Purely into empowering, sir, which we need it right now.
Oh, okay. Very good. Very succinct. Very brief. Very nice. Okay. Who else shall we ask? Let's ask our new entrant. Where is that? No, we'll ask Thomas. So after having been there for a couple of days, what is the purpose of the morning? You'll have to unmute yourself, sir.
Sir, not couple of days, this is just couple of hours. I will say yesterday and just today.
Yeah, so what do you think is the purpose of the empowering morning conversations?
Start living. As simple as that. That's the slogan over there. Start living.
I love it.
Carry a burden. Life.
Right. Thank you. Thank you. If you got that much, you got a lot. Thank you. Yes, Raghu.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. The world is surrounded with sea of negativity. We all bombarded with all the negativities throughout the day, and we try to enforce positivity into all our thoughts, so that we are away from the negativity and to see the glory. All of life comes to us, ease, joy, and glory.
All right, beautiful. Thank you very much, Sandeep.
Sir, I feel this is the best investment of time, actually, where we are preparing the investment. Every 1 minute will have a multifold positive results for coming days, weeks, and years. This is the best thing that I can ever do. It energizes me, it charges me, and it really allows me to have a correct understanding, right thinking, and honest approach. Every time Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Suresh Garu, and then we will have a very philosophical viewpoint from Kunen Garu. So, Suresh Garu.
Yes, sir. I mean, it's live and let live, or share and care happily, live. That's it.
Okay, very nice. The purpose of empowering morning conversations. Kunen sir.
Very good morning, sir.
Good morning.
And everyone. Well, the purpose of this morning conversation is to live the real life. And let me tell with my perspective, with the couplets that I used to say that हासिल जिंदगी हसरत के सिवा कुछ भी नहीं, हासिल जिंदगी हसरत के सिवा कुछ भी नहीं. I used to be always in the default mode, the worry mode. ये किया नहीं, वो हुआ नहीं, ये मिला नहीं, वो रहा नहीं. So the purpose of this morning conversation is to get rid of your thought process from your past worries and future imagination and live your life in the present moment and live the life so that you really enjoy the life moment by moment by moment. And this morning conversation helps all of us to come back into the present moment and really enjoy their life away from negativity, away from all the worries, away from everything which disturbs us. And this morning conversation creates a habit within us to manage all the challenges of life and manage our emotions so that we face the world and conquer the world. Back to you, sir.
Fantastic, fantastic. Let's have Rama, and after that we'll have Kuldeep ji.
Yeah, the purpose of empowering morning conversations is to empower each one of us to be in positivity, to have the control of emotions for ourselves instead of allowing it to influence by external environment, and of course letting us to be in positivity so that we get all of life with ease, joy, and glory.
Fantastic. Thank you very much. Chaturvedi ji.
Sir, it is the spread of positivity amongst the negativity which is surrounding us.
Okay, so do you have a share for that?
शेर तो सर एक हल्का फुल्का सा शेर आपको सुनाता हूँ, which also relates to what Mr. Kunan has said. कि हल्की फुल्की सी है जिंदगी, हल्की फुल्की सी है जिंदगी, बोझ तो सिर्फ ख्वाहिशों का है.
Would you like to translate that also?
Life is light and light. Only burden is because of our expectations. Expectations are the only burdens.
Right. Thank you very much. Let's have a young point of view. Aruran, the chess champion, according to you, what is the purpose of the empowering morning conversations? You have to unmute yourself. Unmute first. You're muted. You are muted. Please unmute yourself. Can you unmute yourself? Aruran, can you hear me?
Yeah. I can hear you.
Yeah. Now you can say.
What should I say? Like I was talking to my mom.
Oh, I was telling this so many times. So what is the purpose of the empowering morning conversations?
Get rid of the negativity and fill with positivity.
Okay, get rid of negativity and build positivity. Wow,
Yeah.
fantastic. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Now, where is that lady, Janaki? According to you, what is the purpose of the empowering morning conversation? Janaki, are you there? In the meantime, we will ask Neeti. Many of you must be wondering, why is he asking everybody to say this? Because I want to reinforce it. Okay, sometimes people tend to forget what they are there for. Like in life also, sometimes we forget what's the purpose. Have you noticed in the everyday struggle for existence and reacting and resisting, sometimes we forget the purpose of our existence. And then from time to time, we escape into some bubble of yoga, or you come to empowering morning conversations. And then when you go back to life, you again get into your default mode. So the idea from my side is to get you out of the default mode so that you remain in the zone of positivity. And instead of just, struggling, you can start creating your life the way you want. So just remember that. Isn't it wonderful if we can create our life moment by moment by moment? instead of, getting pushed around by the circumstances. Because circumstances relentlessly, ceaselessly, they will keep on pushing us. Yeah, and as a frail human, sometimes we succumb to that. Everybody is not as strong as Pongal, Hey, good morning, Pongal. So I was asking everybody, what is the purpose of the empowering morning conversations according to you? So can you give us your point of view on this?
Oh my God, thank you so much for this. But then, Sukhdeep ji, one thing, I wanted to really share something this morning. Because
Okay.
it really happened last evening. It was around 3:15. Like, see, to have a backstory, like I've not even received moral support from my parents, nor my siblings, through my struggles in life. So I have just very casually informed this or portrayed this or spoken about this very openly in all forums. Like, so probably some 3 years back, I had given a talk where I was given an award as Powerful Voice of Women or something like that, and I had spoken about what had happened in my life, where I had told that I've never received my mother's love. When my daughter's wedding happened, I had to remove even my wedding chain, where my dad was sitting a chain with the, like 11 sovereigns chain, and my mom was having a handful of, jewels around her neck. And so I had spoken all this. I don't know whether my parents saw the video yesterday. I had a call around 3:15 in the evening, and my dad just told me, like, henceforth, don't ever come here nor call us. And he snapped the call. So I just called back and to understand what had happened. He said, you have spoken so proud of us, and the world, you have informed the whole world about us. So it never dared to come here. And my mom got the phone, and she said, even if I die, don't come for the funeral.
Yeah.
It was around 3:15 in the evening, and I had a parents' orientation at 4 o'clock. It was really like, it's not definitely not to flatter. I really wanted to tell this here because you've been talking about upsets, and so I just said, like, no, I'm not going to allow this to upset me. I have a meeting here. Like, my parents have seen me so strong, and I'm not going to allow this to pull me down. And I had 187 parents. And I did not, like, as always, a beautiful presentation. It all got over, but that was eating me up. Okay, so I was telling my daughter, and I was literally crying so badly, and like immediately then after a while, I thought, morning only Sukhdeep taught me how to change my thoughts to what I want. So what do I want? What other thoughts do I want to entertain? So I said, no, I want to think about my school. I want things to happen. I want things to move for my school. And so what is the next step that I'm going to do for my school? So Sukhdeep ji, I was able to immediately shift my thoughts to what I really wanted. And I moved my thoughts, and believe me, like, I had sent a message to the person who was helping me out in getting the bank loans to call me. Like, he said he's a busy the month end, and he had told me, so I sent a message to him asking him if I can call him. And within 10 minutes, I got a call from him, and I was talking about all that. So even now, like, I can feel that, yes, there is some upset because the mom, I don't know, they don't know how much I love them in spite of all that. But still, like, I just really wanted to tell that. I wanted to tell, yes, after a long time, I'm really crying in front of a crowd, but still, I'm able to hold myself stronger. I'm able to come out of it immediately. And I just logged in, and you're asking me because I said today I'm going to tell them that how it is helping me out in life. Like, so thank you so much. I'm really grateful to you for these lovely inputs that you're giving us early in the morning so much. And I'm definitely, like, yes, I call myself a phoenix, and definitely I'll come out of this.
Yeah, me too. I'm also a bloody phoenix. So listen, Pongal,
Yes.
strong people can also allow themselves to cry.
Yeah.
Your biggest killer for you is going to be this tendency to hold back your tears. There's nothing wrong in being vulnerable. Okay, don't suppress those feelings. If you want, you can switch off your camera and cry to your heart's content, but don't hold back those tears. Okay, they are actually washing away so much, so just let it out. Promise me that you will not suppress your feelings.
I will never suppress. I didn't suppress. I had a heart cry. Like I called him my uncle.
Good, good. Now also it is coming, no? Let it go.
Yeah.
Let it out completely. And when it's out, I'll want you back sometime whenever you feel like talking. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And thank you for handling your upset so well. And you're pretty good at that anyhow.
Thank you so much.
Right. Thank you. Oh boy, thank you very much. So this is a good share to start with. Two participants raised their hands and I can't see who they are. I will have Mr. Kunain give you a little gyan, and then we'll have Mr. Suresh Kumar who will give you some gyan. So both the gyanis together. Okay, start with
Yes.
Kunain.
Yeah, thank you, sir. It's not a gyan, just a couple of lines for Dr. Pongal. I'm really proud of her way of managing the situation. So just 2 lines for you, Dr. Pongal. In Urdu, it said that manzil bahut hai, afsane bahut hai. There are more goals to be achieved. There are more stories to be curated. Rahe zindagi ke makan aane bahut hai. You will get many accolades in your journey. मत कर गिला जो मिला नहीं जो हुआ नहीं इस दुनिया में खुश रहने के बहाने बहुत हैं. So forget whatsoever happened had happened. There are many ways to get happiness in moving ahead. So
there are many reasons to be happy.
Yes, there are many reasons to be happy. So good luck, Dr. Pongal, and we all are with you. Keep moving and you will achieve all the success. Thank you. Back to you, sir.
Thank you. And thank you, my dear Shires, for enlightening because the shares are able to convey much more than words can, isn't it? Poetry conveys much more than prose. Amazing. You guys are like simply amazing. Boy, thank you so much. Yes, sir. Mr. Suresh Kumar Garu.
Yes, sir. Pongalji, don't worry about these kind of things. Even I was bashed by my father and I ran away from home. And Mr. Sukhdeepak, he gave me initial job and today I am here. These kind of things, they are temporary, they are momentum. They will, they have just expressed their anger or their feelings, and you have listened it, and you be on your job and you will be successful completely. And in my case, my father had come at his last days to Delhi. We got treated him cancer and we have cremated everything. See, end of the day, those days, he has come and he said, okay, I'm sorry, I could have not done that, this and all that. Everything is, nothing is permanent. So don't worry, be on your job and you will be happy. And a lot of people, in this kind of forums, they will support you, share anything. Yeah, this is what I want to say.
Thank you for your kind words. And who else is there? Okay, both these gentlemen have raised their hands. Now they can put them down also. Anybody else wants to say anything? But you don't have to say anything to Pongal. She got our affection. Okay.
Janki is here, sir.
Who?
Janki, after a long time.
Yeah, I know. I was asking her to share, but she didn't. Now again, I can ask her. She's been there every day. She never misses a session. Yes, Janki ji. Anything you want to say? I was asking earlier for you to say what is the purpose of the Empowering Morning Conversations.
Actually, I got a call. So that's why I'm so sorry about it. This empowering morning, I would say, it gave me full of might. That's the first point. I feel so positive. Positive in the sense, like, when we like something, when we feel good about it, we keep doing that. So every day I just want to attend the session. Whether I mute my, turn off my video or not, the information that I receive, the thought process, the transformation that happens in my mind. So that is actually amazing. And even if I go to someone, if I ask for some questions, I don't think it will be answered. I know the technique that you use it. When I come up with a question, you ask me to think. When I come up with some problem, when I express something, you ask me to think, and you pose some questions, and you get the answer from my mouth itself. That is the beautiful thing about it. It's not that you give the solution, you make me to think and give the solution. That is the beauty about this morning empowering program.
That is why it's called empowerment, you know. Empowerment is when somebody finds a solution himself or herself, then they feel empowered. If I give the solution, then, you know, they'll feel they got it from somebody else. All right. Okay, what else? Sorry for the interruption.
And I used to brood over things when I keep looking at people. Whenever I come here and when I meet people, I get to know like how they think, how they respond, how they are tackling. There are certain things which I have failed in it, whereas I got the information from others sharing. I got to know like how I can look into the problem and I can solve it. So, and how to take the life into the next step. That is what I've been doing in this program.
All right.
Which I don't
Great.
want to mention every day.
Thank you. Okay, Vetrivel. First, you have to unmute yourself. Yeah.
Thank you very much, sir. Of course, the common purpose which we are trying to achieve is all of life comes to us with ease, joy, and glory. What I see is personally, it helps me to change not the mood, but the mode, the thinking mode, seeing the life from a different perspective. Touch wood, it happened to me. About that, I can talk for the day. Considering the time, I just cut more. Now, all I can say is thank you very much.
Welcome. Yes, Badra sir. Badra is the last. I'm not going to ask anybody else to share today, at least not right now.
Good morning, everybody. That is the beauty of the product. Our program is two-way. That is a communication. So what is within us. The morning when I joined the program, Sukhdeep ji is asking the question like that. So it's trying to understand. And it's a program, this morning program, always try to keep us in the positive track. Mind diverted always, that is a surrounding, but it helped me. So in the morning, I feel to join the program, get me charged and back to the action. Thank you.
Thank you. And last but not the least is Mr. Kasa. So go ahead, Kasa. What is it that you would like to say to us this morning?
Sir, empowering morning. See, life is an evolution. Evolution takes time. It's a slow process. Through empowering conversation, it just happens swiftly. It evolves the person to a greater extent at a very faster pace.
Paper law.
Great, thank you. Anything else you'd like to say?
Definitely, sir. It's been very supportive and it's been very empowering. I could get back to my core, to myself at ease. It is giving a lot of joy and soon the glory also.
Okay, great. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, so here we go. Now some people are will have to mute themselves. So I appreciate if you mute yourself. So here we are on our 114th session, and big congratulations to all of you who have not missed a single session. Okay, and there are some people who miss a few sessions, so everybody is welcome, and welcome to the world of possibilities. I'll repeat that. Welcome to a world of possibilities. Many times, when we are in our default mode, we keep doing the same thing over and over again without even realizing it. We will do things differently, slight variations of the same, but all the actions that are happening are past-based, past thinking-based. Okay, so nothing really changes. So you might have noticed that we are consciously or unconsciously grumbling or blaming or complaining or resisting, whatever it is that we do. But the more we do that, the more it kills possibility. Another word for that is opportunity. So possibilities and opportunities for change, possibilities and opportunity to get what we want are there right in front of us. We don't see them. So one of the things that we want to do is that if we can shift you out of that mode of negativity, which you get influenced, we get influenced to be in that situation. We don't like to be in that situation, but we get into that situation. Nobody likes to be in a negative situation. Do you like to be in a negative situation? I don't. But sometimes we are so much in it that we don't even see it. And it's like, okay, this is the way it is, And then suddenly we start liking a lot of sad songs and all that. So that's a very good sign that, hey, listen, get out of your default mode, start looking for possibilities, reset your attention on your goals. So today we had a wonderful sharing from Pongal, a great example of how if an upset can come and completely shift your attention from your purpose. And she did not allow that to happen. So congratulations to her and many of you who also do this. So two things can happen when you're on purpose, when you're trying to achieve something comes in the way, okay? Either you will get stopped or you will lose power. You will lose power or you lose momentum. Something which you are doing with 100% gusto and enthusiasm, that gusto and enthusiasm is no longer there. So you might have noticed that as we are getting older, we seem to lose our gusto, we seem to lose our enthusiasm, the excitement that is there in younger people, right? So what will happen when we recover that excitement and energy? That's the thing that we are working for, that we can empower ourselves to be able to generate that passion that we had. Sometimes you think, oh, kahan chale gaye wo din, kahin nahi gaye, those din are still there. We can recreate it whenever we want. That's the power we are born with, guys. It was always there, it will always be there. So at the end of the day, our purpose is what? That all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. These are the things that we want. And who's going to make sure of that? Not anybody else. We'll have to make sure. No? Nobody else is interested in us yet. Yes, here you are with a bunch of some 30, 35 people every morning. We are all committed to the same thing. And I'm assuming that we will support each other. And we do support each other. When we share, when we question, when we ask, when we share our own experiences, people have realizations out of that also, not only by what I say. So today I have two questions for you. So you'll have to think a little. And I'm going to ask a question and I will expect some people to answer. And I don't want, paragraph answers. I would like to have bullet point answers today because I want everybody to speak. So the first question is, what do you like about yourself? So the first person whom I'm going to ask is Suchitra. What do you like about yourself, Suchitra? One sentence or two, no more.
So the fire of honesty to see myself for what I am in any situation.
Okay, great. So that's a one sentence or you want to say more? But that's a good one. Thank you very much for sharing it. So what do you like about yourself?
I also like the fact that I am I'm warm, funny, and affectionate. And I love the tender side of things.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you so much. What about you, Rajashekaran? What do you like about yourself? Quickly unmute and say one or two sentences max.
Good morning, sir. I like about myself for being me. Being me. My thoughts, attitude, actions. Myself, I like it.
Okay, very nice. Thank you very much. What about you, Rajesh? What do you like about yourself, Rajesh?
Sir, I like about myself in terms of effort I put in for each and every activity in life.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you very much. Leena, what do you like about yourself? Leena ji, please unmute yourself and answer. What do you like about yourself? Okay, she's probably making breakfast. Okay, Kasa, what do you like about yourself?
So perseverance and the creative thought process.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you very much. Janaki, what do you like about yourself?
I like everything about me.
Okay. What about you, Snehalji? What do you like about yourself? And it's good to see you back. And I'm happy that you are well and in the pink of health. So, Snehalji, what do you like about yourself?
Thank you, sir. I like the fact that I think I'm a creative person.
Okay,
And
so you, okay, wonderful. Thank you very much. Mr. Subhash, AK-47, what do you like about yourself? Okay, Subhash is taking his time. So, Vilas, what do you like about yourself?
Responsible family person and as a professional.
Okay, Priya Gupta, what do you like about yourself?
I'm creative and I love to be of service to people.
And I have $1 million smile, but somebody will have to pay me that $1 million, then only I'll smile. Okay, Kuldeep ji, what do you like about yourself?
Subhash is here. Can I talk?
Yeah, talk then.
Sir, could you hear? Could I be heard?
Yeah, we can hear you. We can hear you.
Honesty and integrity.
Okay, fantastic, Kuldeep ji. What about you, Subhash? What do you like about yourself?
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes.
Sir, I feel myself I am very organized, very systematic. I feel have an ego that I'm living very disciplined. One of the things is I'm more perfectionist and very systematic way of living. I feel that only making me life move on.
Okay.
In proper way.
Got it. Thank you very much. So everybody else whom I'm not asking, I want you also to think about what is it that you like about yourself. Reflect on it for a moment. Yeah, I'll count 10 before I start speaking. What is it that you like about yourself? Keep thinking about it. Okay, you may find there are many things that you like about yourself. So what do you like about yourself? So Imtiaz Bhai has just joined. So Imtiaz Bhai, we are asking everybody this question. What do you like about yourself? आपको अपने बारे में क्या पसंद है? You don't have to say right now because that saying part is over. So what do you like about yourself? Okay, everybody's got what you like about yourself. Now I'm going to ask you a silly question. What is it that you don't like about yourself? And I'd like a few people to say that also. What is it that you don't like about yourself? So who would like to say that? Okay, Rajshekharan, you can say.
Sir, I don't like about my attitude on procrastination.
Okay, you don't like that you procrastinate. Shakti, what is it that you don't like about yourself? Shakti, can you hear me? What is it that you don't like about yourself?
Not taking action due to my distractions, sir.
Okay. Niti, what is it that you don't like about yourself?
So on some very, very select occasions, I get into a hesitation mode or a fear or a denial mode. That is what I don't like about myself.
Okay. Snehalji, what is it that you don't like about yourself?
I procrastinate. I don't have the discipline to follow through the things I want to do.
Okay, great. Fantastic. Priya, what is it that you don't like about yourself? Okay, we can take somebody else. Thomas, what is it that you don't like about yourself?
Sir, I'm a bit too selfish. self-centered. I think more about myself instead of others, particularly
Okay.
the family. Think more about others, except the family.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you very much. And Vilas, what is it that you don't like about yourself?
Possessiveness in certain areas and not being consistent and persistent in works because of the distractions.
Okay, allowing myself to get distracted. You don't like that. Okay, very nice. Thank you very much. And who else is there? Imtiaz, what is it that you don't like about yourself?
Procrastinating things.
Okay, that you don't like about yourself. Okay, so do you notice that everybody has a lot of stuff which they can like about themselves, and everybody has got a lot of stuff which he may or may not like about himself. So we are a balance of the two of them. Our problem is,
Sir, I can tell you now.
yes,
Yes, my burning desire to learn new things that I like. And I don't like that I'm too emotional.
लीना जी इतनी देर आप क्या नोट्स बना रहे थे?
नहीं नोट्स नहीं बट मैं सोच रही थी आपने बोला ना think तो मैं haven't thought of this earlier कि क्या मैं पसंद करती हूँ और क्या नहीं.
अपने बारे में.
Yes, मैं सोचा then I.
Okay. Now the next thing which I'm asking everybody is that where do you think your focus is most of the time? Is your focus on what you don't like about yourself? See, we have a relationship with ourselves, isn't it? Everybody has a relationship with themselves. So you can be relating with that part of you which you don't like. Or you could be relating to yourself from that part of, you that you love and you admire and you cherish. आप अपने कौन से रूप के साथ प्यार करते हैं, मतलब ज्यादा ध्यान देते हैं, that part of you जो आपको पसंद नहीं है और वही दिखाई देता है, या आपका जो बेहतरीन रूप है उसको आप देख के आप अपना रिश्ता बनाते हैं. So which part of you do you relate with more? So I'd like to hear a few sentences from a few people. Which part of you do you relate with more about yourself? Who would like to speak and tell us what you like about yourself or what you don't like about yourself? Darshana ji, would you like to say something about it? You understood my question?
Yes, I have understood all the three questions. For me, sometimes it's one and sometimes it's the other, but mostly it is what I don't like.
About
because
yourself.
when the time passes, I feel that, oh, I could have done this and I should have done this. So at that particular moment, it is more of what I don't like about myself than what I like. What I like, I take it for granted. But what I don't like, I think more about that.
And what will happen when you start using more of what you like rather than living in regret about what you don't like?
Correct. So things will definitely improve, because if I keep thinking about the things that I like, I'm going to feel better and better about myself. And the better I feel about myself, the lesser I will feel negative about myself.
Fantastic.
I will have to work on that.
Yes, Badra ji, you wanted to say something. Thank you for sharing.
I am with my likings. My liking was not got distracted. That is my negative thing. But I have always likings with my energetic and active nature. Thank you.
All right, very nice. Thank you very much. So just keep thinking, which one of you, when you relate with yourself, which side of you are you relating with? What you like about yourself or what you don't like about yourself? What do you say, Vetrivan?
Sir.
Yeah, who's this?
Subhash.
Subhash, you wait, just we'll let Vetrivan
No
finish,
problem.
please.
No problem.
Sir, I always give power to my what I like about myself.
Okay, great. Subhash?
Sir, I didn't like I'm not listen much.
when I have conversation with somebody, I know that I have this problem that I'm not listening much, but I talk more. But I'm unable to practice it. But now, Jabardasti, I'm trying for that. Because as many of the people, mentors like you and many people said, I have this problem, like, listening, I listen less. So that is one of the things which I didn't like. As I told earlier, there are so many things which I like of myself, but this is the one problem which I working on. So listen less.
Okay, I got it. Thank you very much. But which part of you do you relate with mostly? That's the question that I asked. Never mind.
That I didn't understood, sir. What is that mean? What you mean by
so
that?
everybody has a relationship with himself, no? The one guy has a relationship with himself where he says, wow, I'm a great guy because I have these great qualities. Another guy relates with himself saying, I'm full of shit, I'm a useless fellow because I've got so many negative qualities. So which way do you relate with yourself? That's the question. So think about it. Don't reply right now. Right now, I'm going to ask Priya. Priya, which part of you do you relate with mostly? That which you like or that which you don't like?
Which I don't like. Mostly it happened that I would have done it differently. See, this is wrong. Why it didn't happen? It's mostly the negative way.
Exactly. This is a problem for most people, isn't it? That we keep getting stuck up in what we don't like. That is in front of us. That's our nature. I do not know why. So do you notice when we meet other people also, first we see what is not okay about them. लोगों की जो गलतियां होती हैं वो ज्यादा दिखाई देती हैं. अपनी गलतियां भी ऐसे ही ज्यादा दिखाई देती हैं. तो हमारी खूबियां नजर ही नहीं देती हैं. So you don't see your qualities. See, the more you see your qualities, the more you will use them. The more you see your qualities, the more you will use them. Does it mean that you should not change your negative qualities? Of course, you can work on improving yourself. Then nobody says don't do that. But if you're going to spend your lifetime trying to improve yourself, when are you going to start using the qualities that God has already given you? That is a question to ask. See, we need to be in action right now, isn't it? So if we get being stuck up in a situation because we are not confident, and if I ask somebody why you're not confident, they'll give a long list of things about themselves and say, see, because of this, I'm not confident. Hello, what about all the wonderful things that you are? तुम्हारे अंदर इतनी जो खूबियां हैं, if you see all those wonderful qualities that you have, would you not start being confident about yourself? But if you keep looking at all the negatives about yourself, will you not lose confidence in yourself? Now you have a choice now, which way you want to swing, this way or that way. So that's the reason why great people, like there are great people and great writers and all that, they came out with such great statements. And one of those statements I want to read to you. I read this earlier also, and I'm going to ask Suchitra to read this one. She has a nice way of reading. Suchitra, would you read this out for me, please?
Sir, forget about likes and dislikes. They are of no consequence. Just do what must be done. This may not be happiness, but it is greatness.
Yeah, one more time.
Forget about likes and dislikes. They are of no consequence. Just do what must be done. This may not be happiness, but it is greatness.
Fantastic. Thank you very much. We'll ask one more person to read it. And that is Neeti.
So, can I?
Yeah, all right. You go ahead. You are, after all, an actor. Your diction must be profound.
Forget about likes and dislikes. There are no consequences.
There are of no consequence.
There are of no consequence. Just do what must be done. This may be happiness.
May not be happiness.
This may not be happiness, but it is greatness. Sorry, I'll read it one more time, sir. Forget about likes and dislikes. There are no consequence.
They are of no consequence.
There are of no consequence. Just do what must be done. This may be happiness. This may not be happiness, but it is greatness.
Yeah. So when you look at this statement and why do I ask people to repeat it so many times? Because when we do that, you may start realizing how much, your effort could be on getting something done and moving forward. But our whole life is obsessed by either hiding our faults or trying to correct the faults. So we have very little time left to use the greatness that we have. Think about that. If most of our time is spent in hiding our faults from others or only trying to improve ourselves, when are we going to use the qualities that we already have? That's a good question to ask yourself, isn't it? So you can get started using your qualities and then start dealing with all those things which are requiring your attention. Like if you want to improve something, you can. And you know what? I'm just remembering a wonderful statement made by our friend Thomas today. I love this guy. He's an honest man. And I'll tell you why. I love selfish people because I'm a selfish man. I'm selfish because I want my life to be great. And because my family is a part of my life, I want my family to be great. I want my life to be great. And because my community is a part of my life, I want my community to be great. And because I live in this world, I want the world to be great. So I'll do everything possible to make everything all around me better and better because I live in this world. I'm very selfish. So there are two ways of looking at selfishness. So ladies and gentlemen, let's all be selfish and contribute to make this world a better place because we live in it. Let us be socially responsible. Let us, follow the traffic rules, etc. Why? Because that makes the world a better place. And I'm selfish. I want the world to be a better place because I live in it. Okay, so ponder about these two questions. And once you ponder about those two questions, what is most important is, what action should I get into now? After all, life will happen when you do something in life, isn't it? So what actions do you propose to do coming out of today's questions? Suppose you realize that I've been wasting my time hesitating because I don't like many things about myself. So what am I going to start doing now? What have I stopped? What have I not been doing because I don't like so many things about myself? See, sometimes we don't do things because we are afraid, people will find out I'm a useless fellow. So better not to do anything. That's one way of living life. The other fellow says, I am not capable of doing so. How should I do? That's his own opinion about himself. Okay? So by listening to me saying these little things, what is opening up for you? I'd love to hear from a few people. What's coming into your mind? What is it that you want to do?
I love myself. I'll do everything that pleases me.
Okay. Very nice. Thank you very much. Yes, Sushma. Somebody's mic is unmuted. It's making a lot of noise. Sushma Priju, you want to say something?
Wonderful morning. I
Wonderful
wanted to
morning.
share when you had asked what am I doing or what I like. So that is, I'm very positive person and I'm always on the positivity. It doesn't mean that there's no negativity, but that doesn't hamper me. I overcome and move on very quickly.
Okay,
And as
very
you were
nice.
asking this question, the last one, at times I do procrastinate. So I will not be doing this anymore.
And what are the things that are going to start happening today because you are not going to procrastinate?
Yeah, the things. So there are things that are undone that will start happening.
Okay, congratulations.
Like how I am doing my videos now regularly. It's all because
Yeah.
of you. Thank you.
You are most welcome. Yes, sir. Kunain ji, आपकी बारी है.
I think we'll follow the ladies first. So Suchitra ma'am.
Okay.
Bharat, you can finish.
Okay. What I'm getting out of this conversation, sir, that whatsoever we like, whatsoever I like about myself is good. Whatsoever I don't like, it is related to my self-esteem. And I am relating my disliking of myself, of my low self-esteem. So what I'm learning in this conversation, looking at you, you are selflessly taking care of all of us. So I have decided that I will look into and I will start taking care of more people around me, giving more love to others and more compassion and whatsoever I have, so that I believe that indirectly it will help increasing my self-esteem, and ultimately I will start doing the other great things, focusing on my positivities. So thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Back to you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, Suchitra.
Yeah, just a minute. So there's a vendor.
Yeah. So that is a vendor war instead of Mangal war.
Yeah, he's just waiting around the corner for me to begin speaking.
Doesn't matter. It's that vegetable wala is like music, you know. Reminds me of my early childhood. A lot of these fellows would come with these. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. So what I wanted to say is that I have a very volatile and passionate relationship with myself. And that seems very like a very crackpot and weird thing to do. I want to arrive at a place where I have a very neutral relationship with myself. And I don't have any sort of inner dialogue regarding myself. That's where I feel I will be at the point where that George Bernard Shaw talks about. A sort of like the whole.
You know, later on, you can watch this recording, Suchitra, to hear what you said. Okay. It's a good statement, but there are a few contradictions in it, but that's fine. Right? But when you say that I've got a crackpot relationship with myself, it's a part of your internal dialogue only, na?
Yeah. Yeah, but it's very volatile and passionate, and days of self-hatred followed by days of trying to boost myself, and which is the relationship which I have with the world, because the relationship which I have with myself. So basically, I want a very normal, neutral relationship. So where the focus is not on myself at all.
Yeah, just do what has to be done. Remember what your target is.
Yeah, yeah.
Now I notice that your target has also started changing. So I wonder why. Anyway, we'll talk about that later.
Okay.
Thank you very much for sharing.
Thank you, sir.
And what will happen, Suchitra, if you actually start falling in love with yourself? That should be an interesting situation, isn't it? Okay, who else? What's opening up for you? Reddy Garu, anything you'd like to say? Neeti, you'd like to say anything? Rama? Okay, some people's hands are raised. Unfortunately, I can't see them.
Sir, I would like to say something.
Snehal.
Okay, Snehal, and then I think I heard Chaturvedi.
Kuldeep, yeah, Kuldeep ji and Vetrivel.
Okay, Snehal to begin with.
Sir, it does not have anything to do with our present topic, but I want to use this forum to thank you for, the support you have given, I've received from you in spite of your busy schedule when I was going through my stay in the hospital. I mean, it is a great feeling to know that somebody cares, and to that extent that they're sending healing energy your way. I must thank you, and I'm taking this opportunity to thank you for that.
You're most welcome, Snehalji. Thank you very much for sharing. I truly appreciate your words. Kuldeep ji.
Sir, जो whatever positive conversation we are having, उसके ऊपर अभी कुछ लाइनें लिखी वो सुना देता हूँ आपको. वही whatever that is opening with me. कि कहीं रहो तुम और कहीं रहें हम, पॉजिटिविटी कायम रहेगी ये तय हुआ है. कहीं रहो तुम, कहीं रहे हम, पॉजिटिविटी कायम रहेगी, ये तय हुआ है। अगर ये खता है तो उम्र भर ये खता करेंगे, ये तय हुआ है।
So I think you should do the translation also.
Wherever you live, wherever I live, but we will maintain positivity. This is what has been decided in this forum. Or if it is a fault, if it is a mistake, we will continue this mistake throughout the life. This has been decided in this forum.
Yeah, the mistake of being positive, if it is a mistake. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
सर 2 लाइन मेरे को बताया आपको।
हाँ
सर 2 लाइन मैं भी आपको जवाब करना है इसके बारे में।
हाँ सुनाओ ना। आपका जो आवाज टूट रहा है, it is not coming clearly, but you can still go ahead. गोपाल जी बोल रहे हैं ना? क्या go ahead?
मिलाते रहो, फासले कम करो, दिल मिलाते रहो।
वाह, beautiful.
What you are doing?
This is what we are doing. Thank you very much. Yeah, bring about closeness. That's what he's saying. Don't increase the gap between us. Let's get closer. Great. Thank you, Gopalji. Okay, so that's it, guys. I think we can close the session today. Dwell on these questions, get into action, right? Remain positive and spread it around. The world needs it.
Sir, Vetri wanted to say something, and I also wanted to say something.
Yo, okay, definitely. Vetri, go ahead.
Sir, sorry for the interruption. It is purely on the lighter note.
Okay. It's good to laugh.
After a lot of sessions with great discussions, what I like about myself is I all the time say yes to all my wife's whatever she says. I say all the time yes. That yields me very good. That part I like in myself.
Okay, great. That's it.
Sir, what I'm getting, what I'm getting in today's conversation is that whatever the good things, whatever the positive things we have, start utilizing that fully rather than worrying about so many other things, acquiring more and more. Just make sure that the negativity doesn't stop what we can do. So these are the 2 points I'm getting in today's conversation.
Great. Thank you very much. Yeah, Pongal, go ahead.
Thank you, Ji. Actually, when you asked about what I like about myself and what I don't like about myself, I was able to find a lot of things that I like about myself. But I had to really go dig in and find out what I don't like about myself. So that is when I thought, oh my God, I don't think so much about what I don't like about myself. I just go on with self-love and I think I see that. And now I understand why I see only the positive things in others also. I don't dig into the negativity I see some people who are able to be so cynical, or the first moment is going to be a negative comment or a negative finding out the flaws in people. But I find out only the positivity in people or what are the good things in people. So I was able to see why I do it now. I was able to understand the reason of why it's happening in my life. Thank you so much.
So you see, we are in the right profession.
Yes, of course. Thank you.
Great. Thank you so much. All right. So on that note, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm going to close the session for today. And we will have another wonderful, empowering morning conversation tomorrow morning.
Good day.
See you guys.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. So